Hi, welcome to today's video. We just recently started this C# beginner series. If you are new to C# or you know someone who wants to learn C#, you can refer this video to them. Thank you. In this video, we'll be looking at how to set up our Visual Studio. Basically, it's going to be a very short video. So basically, all I've done here is I have just searched for download Visual Studio, and when you search for that, you will see this here. I will drop it in the description. When you click it, you get here and it shows you this download option. We have three options: the community, professional, enterprise. Professional and enterprise are paid, but I think they have a 30 or 60 days preview time, while the community is free. So we'll go for the community, and once you click it, it should begin downloading immediately. So once it's done downloading, you can run it. So this is the window we see, and when we click continue, it will get it. But because I have already downloaded Visual Studio, the installer is already there, so that's why you see it this way. This will not be what you really see. What you actually see is something like this, where to tell it getting things ready, and then it will show you the different workloads that will come up very soon. Yes, so I have already installed on my own machine. So you see I have some selected. You could select the same as I've selected, but basically the ones you will need, we will need the ASP.NET and web development. You will need a .NET desktop development or desktop applications, WPF, the Windows Form, things of that nature. And I think the data storage and processing, that will also be a nice one to have. So basically that's what you just need to do, and then you will see this should show install here, and then when you click install, it will begin downloading and installing your Visual Studio. I hope this was clear and easy to grasp. If you have any questions or if you had encountered some problems while trying to install, you can drop it in the comment section and we'll look at it together. Thank you. See you in the next video.